The most important step is moisturizing, and for that I'm going to use aloe vera gel. For foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228, and I'm going to blend everything in with a damp beauty blender. For the under eyes, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium. Now I'm going to set my face with some powder. Now for the eye makeup, I'm going to use this black gel liner. You can even use a black eye pencil or even a black eyeshadow. Slowly build up this color and blend the edges really well. Then I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow to blend the edges. As the black wasn't really standing out, I went with some more gel liner. Again, following the same process, I'm blending the edges with the brown shade. Now using a dark brown shade to add some transition to my crease. I'm using the same black gel liner on my lower waterline and the same brown shade under my eyes. Now I'm going to use my favorite mascara on my lash line, adding some inner corner highlight and doing my eyebrows. I like my eyelashes to look really long and full, so I'm using false eyelashes as usual. And for face makeup, I'm using bronzer, blush and highlighter. For the lipstick, I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Icon. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.